Hey there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 2023 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It's practically brand new. It only has 2,900 miles on it. So it's just a pretty perfect new 4Runner SR5 model, midnight black metallic with this really attractive black cloth interior. I bought this 6 months ago, and we just have too many cars in the family right now, and we just don't drive it. So, but yeah, beautiful car. I don't think there's a scratch anywhere on it or a single road chip. You can see here it's like straight out of the dealership. Just perfect car. Do a slow walk around here. I had it ceramic coated. That's why it still shows brilliantly. But yet only 2,900 original miles. That's 2.9K miles. So really low mileage, practically brand new, 6-month-old car. Perfect wheels and tires. Ceramic coated. Not a mark anywhere on the car. Perfect Carfax, no drama, nothing's happened to it. We've just driven it around and then we've had it detailed. So yeah, perfect interior. Oh, we also bought floor mats. The car came from the dealer without floor mats, so we bought a new pair of floor mats. But as you can see here, perfect upholstery, perfect headliner, just perfect, just brand new car. So if you're looking at one for $42,000, which is what the dealer's getting for a new one, you can save a ton of money right here, because this only has, I think it's 2,899 miles. So this car's only got 2,900 original miles, and we bought it from the dealer, paid all the fees, paid all the taxes. Our loss is your gain. Yeah, I even bought the mats for the back here. So, but yeah, just absolutely brand new, ready to go. Hasn't even had its first service yet. That's how new it is. Still has the factory oil and oil filter in the engine, and hasn't even had its first oil change. So just absolutely brand new, perfect black metallic 4Runner. Let's take a look. There you go, there's miles right there. 2,899. Perfect car. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We haven't even cleaned this. This came from the dealership, and the engine bay's not even dusty yet. See? Oh, sorry, there's a little tiny bit of dust right there. But yeah, perfect car, perfect brand new car. So you can save an easy $8,000 to $10,000 right here. Perfect Carfax, perfect car, 2,899 miles. I'm gonna drive it home today, so it'll be a tick over 2,900 miles. But there you have it. This is our 2023 4Runner SR5. We bought it from Orange Toyota, Toyota of Orange, just locally here, just 6 months ago. But our family situation has changed, and we just we don't have a need for all these cars right now. So so yeah, super nice car, super good deal. Do not buy a new one. You can buy this one, and you can save $7,000 to $8,000 easily. And we are the ones that are going to take the loss on this. But anyways, it is what it is. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. This is our beautiful 2023 4Runner SR5 midnight black metallic, black cloth interior, beautiful 2,900 mile example, ceramic coated floor mats. Lots of nice options on this one, and it's for sale right now.